Hey everybody! So today we're going to be writing our letter home. If your letter home does not look like this version, then you can refer to the other video. There are two versions in the packets for certain students and other students. So before we get started, we should first have these cut out at the bottom so that we can after we cut them, we can glue or tape them to your letter. The words at the bottom are neighborhoods, happiness, home, rainbow fruit salad, share, neighborhood, and sharing happiness. And so the difference between these two neighborhoods is one is neighborhoods, which means more than one neighborhood, and this one's just one neighborhood. We're going to start out with writing dear. So we'll write, most of you guys like to write dear mom. You're welcome to write to someone else. You can write to me, Miss Chen, your brother, your sister, your dad, aunt, uncle, whoever. We'll start over here. This week, the title of the newspaper was. What was the title of our newspaper? If you don't remember, you can refer back to the article. Was it neighborhoods, happiness, home, rainbow fruit salad, share, neighborhood, or sharing happiness? The title of the newspaper was Sharing Happiness. I learned about places called, we learned, what places did we learn about? If you look in your webbing, that will help you the most. Is it neighborhoods, happiness, home, rainbow fruit salad, share, or neighborhood? So the answer is I learned about places called neighborhoods. And we know it's this one because this one says places with this S, and this one says neighborhoods with an S. So it's talking about more than one place. I had fun making a new recipe called. So this one, as always, we are not in cooking class right now. We don't have it because we're not in school, unfortunately. So the answer is rainbow fruit salad. But that being said, you can also just think about something that you might have helped your parents make this week or just anything that you might have eaten this week that you enjoyed. I learned 4 new words. What 4 new words did we learn? There are our only options left, right? So I will just tell you. I learned 4 new words. Happiness, home, share, and neighborhood. So you can refer back to the definitions page to go over the definitions if you'd like. And the last sentence says, my favorite part of the paper was the story, recipe, or joke. So, as always, joke we did not go over, recipe we weren't unable to make, so the answer would be story.
Story.
And then here, you would say from, and we would write your name. So let's go over our letter home. We have, Dear Mom, this week the title of the newspaper was Sharing Happiness. I learned about places called neighborhoods. I had fun making a new recipe called rainbow fruit salad. I learned 4 new words. Happiness, home, share, neighborhood. My favorite part of the paper was the story from your name.